Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 26 September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content shared here does not represent our opinions, but is a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk's recent social media activity has stirred up quite the storm. A post interpreted as a potential threat against President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris has led to an investigation by the Secret Service. Musk later claimed it was a joke, but the situation raises questions about his influence over US national security. With multiple defense contracts and control over the Starlink satellite network, Musk holds significant power, which some critics argue poses a threat to national security. His actions during the Ukraine conflict and business ties with countries like China have only added to these concerns. Since Elon Musk took over Twitter, now rebranded as X, misinformation on the platform has reportedly surged. Previously, Twitter had systems in place to combat false claims, but under Musk's leadership, the approach has become more hands-off. The introduction of the community notes system, which relies on crowdsourced fact-checking, hasn't effectively curbed misinformation. Experts point out that Musk himself has contributed to the spread of misleading information, particularly concerning US elections. As the elections approach, there's growing concern about the impact of unchecked misinformation on democratic processes. Starlink, Elon Musk's satellite internet company, is making strides in providing high-speed broadband to remote areas globally, including several African countries. As the largest satellite internet provider, Starlink's expansion into Africa is seen as a potential game-changer for regions with historically poor internet access. However, questions remain about the affordability and accessibility of these services for the average consumer. While some are optimistic about Starlink's impact, others caution that it may not fully address the underlying connectivity issues in many African nations. The success of Starlink in Africa will depend on regulatory environments, competition, and its ability to reach underserved populations. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Elon Musk. Until then, stay informed and take care.